morning guys. Today I'm gonna make Jolly Mango Sago. So these are all the ingredients. We need 2 mangoes for the puree and 1 for the toppings. Okay, and then we have 1 cup cooked tapioca. Okay, this is it. And then we have 1 can Jolly coconut milk. Okay, and then 2 tablespoons sugar. And then first there's a ano. Hindi na kita to ano. This is for the toppings. Okay. So we're gonna put it here. I think that's enough, huh? Okay, guys. So now, atong kuanon nga ang sugar mo dissolve yun siya. So, I think the sugar is already dissolved. Okay? Mix it here. And then also the sago, tapioca. 1 cup of tapioca. That's our Jolly Mango Sago. Okay, so it's yummy, guys. 4 cups of cooked sago, and then a pinch of salt, and then 7 tablespoons of sugar. It's yummy. I put a pinch of salt, guys, to balance the taste. Okay. I-chilled pa ni siya ikahuman, guys. So, okay na kayo ni siya ikahuman. Ma-chilled na. Yummy na kayo ni. Yummy na ni ikahuman. Ma-chilled na. Ato natin kung pagbutang. So our Jolly Mango Sago, it's done. So ikahuman na ni, guys, ato ni i-chilled para malami siya pag-ayo, guys, o ganang mo fix siya. Okay, so this is it. Let's taste it even if it's not chilled yet. Okay. It's super yummy, guys. The mango. Mm. 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 It's yummy, guys. Kung mabutang na ni siya sa refrigerator, guys, mo thicker ni siya. It's become more yummy. Okay, guys? That's our Jolly Mango Sago. It's done. Okay, guys? If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, DBroja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And it's already chilled, guys, and it's very nice, okay? Oh, it's very chilled na, oh. It's chilled na. Okay, guys, it's super yummy, guys. So that's our Jolly Mango Sago. It's done and it's super yummy. Thank you for watching, guys.